License and registration, please. Do you know why I pulled you over? You were speeding. You ran a red light. Your taillight is out. You were swerving. Please step out of the vehicle. Have you been drinking? Do you have any weapons in the car? Can I see your insurance? Are you aware your registration is expired? You were driving recklessly. Do you have any identification? Your car inspection is overdue. You need to wear your seatbelt. Can you open the trunk, please? Please stay in the car. Do you have any outstanding warrants? Do you have any drugs in the car? Please turn off the engine. Where are you coming from? Where are you headed? How much have you had to drink? Are you aware of the speed limit here? You were tailgating. Your brake lights are not working. Do you know your license plate is missing? I'm going to write you a ticket. You need to appear in court. Drive safely.